Imagine you wake up one day, no money in your bank account, no job. You don't know the first thing to do, where to turn. And that's what happened to me when I decided to quit my job after 5-6 years. I just make up my mind and decide, say, yo, this job thing is not for me. It's not working out. It put in a stress on me. I am working, and I still not seeing my way. But yet, I'm still getting stressed. My body is in pain. You feel me, I say? Days come, I don't want to wake up. I do not want to go to work. I just depressed in the job. And people, yeah, that's what happened. And I quit my job. My job I was with, working for all these years. It was like wearing me down. No night sleep. My job, I used to go to work like 2 in the morning till like 8 o'clock the next day, 10 o'clock sometime. And I just couldn't bother. And I just decided to be like, yeah, I'm going to quit with no plans. No, I do not have any plans, but I just believe in God. Because I always say God will make a way. My mother always tell me that God will make a way. And my mother always tell me, if your left hand offend you, cut it off. So the job was like a stress to me. And when I tell my wife that I'm quitting the job, she will say, okay, well, you know, you just got to do what you got to do. And that's, you can't just do that if you don't have a good partner around you or somebody good around you that see something in you and believe, like, you know, him not just quitting job, so you know, he probably have a better way. Knowing him always want to make an easier way out for himself and for him family. So people, the 9 to 5 wasn't working. It wasn't cutting it. It wasn't paying my bill how I wanted to pay my bill. So it wasn't making no sense. So I leave that job alone. And when I leave that job, people, I start to watch YouTube content. And when I start to watch these YouTube content, I see a lot of people saying they're depressed in their jobs. They are 60 years old, do not have they retire, they quit their job at 60 and just give up on their job. So I said, but if you 60 years old and you quitted your job, so why I can't quit my job too and figure it out? So when I sit down and think now and say, but me is the type of person, I always want to be my own boss. Really and truly, I do not really like to take orders, guys. Tell you the truth. Me is not the person who to take order from people. So the boss thing, it wasn't working out for me. You feel me? I say, so when I realized that, quick and fast, I decided to said, I do not want to work no more. And when I quit the job, I don't have 1 cent in my bank account. I do not have $1. But I have a good lady. You feel me? I say, and that's what you need in these type of time when you're trying to change career without a plan. But you have a plan. If you know what I mean. So right now, I sit down and I think and I say, what can I do to make some money quick and fast where I can, you know, uplift myself, stay out of the workplace. Because the workplace, as you can see, and I know a lot of people here probably going through the same thing and just do not know how to start to quit their job because they're saying, yo, I have all these bills, car note, rent, mortgage, food, the kids. And they do not have a way out right now to quit their job. So they have to stay in this struggle, this stress. So when they go home now, they get miserable, them cross, them hungry because all that miserableness and all that pressure from your work, you take it home. So you're arguing with the kids, you're arguing with your husband, you're arguing with your wife. And they don't even know what is going on in your head. You feel me? I say, they do not know what is going on in your head. They just see you get up every day, you're going to work. You feel me? I say, you're trying to make ends meet because that's what only thing the work can do for you right now, trying to make ends meet. You got what I'm saying? So people, if you feel depressed and you feel like you just want to give up the job, go ahead and give up. Forget it all. Just leave it alone. Don't even study. Just walk off a job if it pressure you. But figure something out. And my thing is, people, when I really sit down and I tell you, I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to be my own boss. I want to do things my time when I want to do it. So I sit down and I figure out, how can I get that done? Here come YouTube. Here come YouTube. So people, it wasn't easy, you know, because when I quit my job, you know, people, I face it. I go through hell on YouTube. You feel me? I say, I go through hell on YouTube. See, I have not do a 9 to 5 for over 8 years now. But I always doing other things on social media and the internet, try to generate some kind of income. And believe me, people, I face it. I go through it. But I always have my plan and I never give up. Because I tell myself, if it's one thing, I will not go back in the job, the workforce to work for nobody. Because that cannot happen. That cannot happen. As a growing man like me now, how the hell I gonna go in the workplace and taking orders from some people, a supervisor younger than you? Just because they say they have a career. No, I decide I'm going to build my own career and build my own space. So like I said, I figured out YouTube and I on YouTube for over 10 years, 11 years now, 12 years. And I trying and I trying and I trying and I trying and I trying. Failing and failing and failing and failing and failing and failing and failing. I give up. I come back. And then I decide, say, yo, not gonna giving up. I'm not gonna give up again. If it's YouTube I want, it's YouTube I gotta do. I keep on trying all type of things, experiment with different type of ways to make money and all these things online, different content to post on YouTube. Meanwhile, I do not have a job. I do not have an income. But I have a good wife. So I try all these posts on YouTube, barely getting views. Someday you get a view, someday you don't. Till I realize you just gotta figure out the right and proper way how to deal with YouTube. You cannot post in all over the place. Remember, I am broke and unemployed at 40 years old, trying to figure out my life. So what I do? I jump around and I watch a lot of videos and I figure out my thing myself. Till one day, people, I think it was last year. It was last year. I post a video on my other YouTube channel, not this one, my other YouTube channel. I post a video about a deported story. And that video go viral. And once that video go viral, something in my head tell me, yo, just continue to build content around this. And I never stop. I do that for a year straight. And people, I tell you, I now start to see some progress on YouTube. I now see the way how I can pay my bills, how I can help out a situation. And I see the growth in YouTube and see what YouTube can do for me. YouTube can turn me into an entrepreneur, can turn me in my own boss. I do not have to work for nobody again. It can take away all the hungry broke days if you stay focused. And that's what I'm doing. I'm starting over different. I'm doing YouTube and I'm going to doing it, continue do it, continue do it, continue do it. And I don't mind you guys. Once you're watching these content and you see this type of video, share it up. Like the video, comment. Follow me on this journey. Follow me on all my YouTube platforms. My other channel is out there. You can follow me on those channels as well. Let we do this together. Watch me rise to the top. Because I'm going to the top. Believe it or not. And I will not say, look, but I said, I will not go back in. I'm 40 years old. Where am I going to go? Which 9 to 5 can I go into any, go work? Growing man like me. I cannot go into no 9 to 5 job to work. So viewers and subscribers, this is my new journey, YouTube. I leave all that stress behind. And I tell you, since I doing this YouTube, people, and I start to see progress, people, I tell you my life, my energy, my environment, everything just feel, it's like I just get released into the wild where a lot of opportunity is. I just feel like I just get purged. And I'm not taking any washout. You feel me? So, if you ever feel like and feel frustrated, and not everybody can do it because not everybody have the brain, and not everybody, they want us to stuck in this institutionalized situation where we believe, we got to work a 9 to 5 to make it in life. We got to get a career to make it in life. We got to go to college. We got to do all of this. No, that was then. It's not now. You see, I quit my job to start YouTube without $1 in my bank account. And now my bank account sitting looking pretty. The feel me I say? Now I'm seeing things in my bank account where I say, damn, I can start my life over and live proper now if I continue to do what I'm doing. You get what I'm saying, guys? So viewers and subscribers, please keep on follow me on my journey. How I starting over as a YouTuber, as a content creator that gonna get what he deserve out of life. And nothing gonna stop me. Just believe. And they will never see a time come where they say, oh, well, yeah, you got no. You got to go back in the work. No workspace here. Them days done. You don't hear I'm saying I'm starting over. Unemployed. Broke, no money in the bank. And I do it. And I'm seeing progress right now. Seeing a lot of progress. You feel me? Doing this YouTube. Give me the opportunity to own certain things. Give me the opportunity to own this car that I sit in. Give me the opportunity to have certain luxury. It wasn't a 9 to 5. 9 to 5 didn't get me close to this. I was working 9 to 5 driving an old car. Not saying anything wrong with that. But I'm just saying. The feel so guys, if you, I know people out there in the age group as me, 30, 50, 60, even 70. You have people there 60, still working, trying to make it to 70. And then when they reach 65, they can't even make it again. By the time they reach 72 retirement, everything is done. So people, just quit. Do not wait. If you feel your body going under pressure, quit. And that's my opinion. And that's my thought on having a 9 to 5. Just leave it alone. Like me. Look at me. I'm not broke anymore. I'm starting to see bread in my account. Give thanks to YouTube. And you can too. You that want to quit. You that is 50. You that is 60. You that is 35. 40 years old. Do your thing. And see you on the next one. Let we see how we can get this money up through this YouTube. So guys, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Please, Spotitdon TV. I'm out.